Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the EVAP system, also known as Evaporative Emission Control System on GMC Terrain, guys, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Please guys, do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics. EVAP system codes could be hard to fix, but always, watch the video until the end because it could be quite simple fix. And by the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So for the EVAP system, Evaporative Emission Control System, guys, come to show you which fuses and relays you need to check. Now, before we continue, quick advice from us. 9 out of 10 owners, guys, will not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Go ahead and open the hood, guys, and facing the engine now on the right side here. You see, this is the brake fluid reservoir. Next to it is the main engine fuse box. You have a tab here and a tab there. You can like squish them together, release them. You can lift the cover up and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So the fuse that we need to check, guys, that fuse now, we will talk about the relays as well, and after that we need to explain what else you need to always check too. One fuse controls that EVAP system, the purge control valve and the canister system, and you wonder where that fuse is located. So if you come right here, you see that 10 fuse, guys, right here. This is known as fuse number 21. This fuse 21, that's the one that you will, guys, need to check right there. That's the main fuse that you will need to check. You don't have a relay, this is known as a relay fuse, but if you still have problems with the purge control valve, canister valve or the EVAP system, guys, check engine computer fuses and relays. We'll have the video on the channel. If you want to see how to test purge control valve, it's super easy. Always check, test them before you buy replacement one. We'll have videos on our YouTube channel how to do that step by step as well. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.